You're walking down the street. A camera tracks your face. Your phone pings, another targeted ad. Your smartwatch logs your heart rate, sleep, and location. Feels normal, right? But here's the truth. You're being watched, not just by people, but by machines, constantly.
Artificial intelligence is now the eyes and ears of a digital panopticon. It's not just about advertising anymore, it's about profiling, prediction, and power. AI didn't sneak into your life, it was sold to you as a feature. Convenience was the bait. Face recognition for fast access, smart assistants that listen so you don't have to lift a finger, cameras that keep your home safe, and feed footage back to corporate servers. Every new device we add to our lives expands the surveillance web, and we opt in willingly, because we've been taught to believe that more data means better services. What they don't tell you is that it also means better control. AI systems learn by observing patterns: what time you wake up, which routes you take, how long you look at a screen, and the more it sees, the more it predicts and influences.
Welcome to surveillance capitalism, a system where your attention is monetized, your habits are commodified, and your identity is algorithmically sorted into a behavioral profile.
Your digital shadow, everything from clicks to keystrokes, is sold to data brokers. AI crunches that data to predict how you'll act, what you'll buy, and who you'll become. The goal isn't to reflect who you are, it's to shape who you will be. When elections can be influenced by psychological profiling, democracy itself becomes a data set. We saw it in 2016, we were living it in 2025. The only difference now is that the tech is smarter, faster, and invisible. AI doesn't just understand you, it understands your brain chemistry. Algorithms are trained to hijack your attention using the same principles as slot machines. Intermittent rewards, notifications timed for maximum impact, outrage dialed in for maximum engagement. This isn't just persuasive design, it's behavioral engineering. TikTok doesn't just show you what you want, it teaches you to want more. YouTube's autoplay doesn't just guess your interests, it pushes you deeper into the rabbit hole. The result? Division, extremism. A society where people no longer share facts, just highly optimized content streams. When AI reshapes your mental habits, what part of your identity is still truly yours? Do you really give consent when you click accept all? Or are we trapped in a digital illusion of choice? Even if you never post, never comment, never share, your phone still tracks where you go, how long you stay, and who you pass by. This is passive surveillance, and it doesn't ask for permission. Shadow profiles collect data on people who never even signed up. Your data is stitched together across devices, accounts, and platforms, creating a full-body mirror you never agreed to. And even when companies say data is anonymous, AI can still re-identify you using just a handful of data points. In a world this connected, privacy by obscurity is a myth. Across the world, AI-powered surveillance is scaling. In China, facial recognition assigns social credit scores. In India, Aadhaar logs biometric data on over 1 billion citizens. In the US, predictive policing algorithms decide which neighborhoods are risky. Each government claims safety, efficiency, security. But what happens when these systems are wrong, or abused, or never turned off? AI doesn't need to lock you in a cell. It just needs to convince you that you're always being watched. That alone is enough to change behavior. It's called the chilling effect, and it's the digital version of obedience. Some experts say privacy died the moment we traded it for free apps, faster services, and more convenience, that the world is now post-private, and there's no going back. But not everyone agrees. Movements for ethical tech are growing. New laws like the EU's AI Act and data rights campaigns are fighting to reclaim control. People are waking up, deleting apps, using encrypted tools, saying no. Privacy isn't a lost cause, but it is a battle, and it starts with awareness. AI is watching. But are we watching back? Before privacy becomes just a memory, we need to ask the hard questions. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of the curve. Stay informed. Ask questions. Demand better. Drop your thoughts below. Are we already living in a digital prison? Or can we still escape? Like and subscribe to NeoMind AI for more truths the algorithm won't show you.